man tell them say they chop bitter kola. Na video na see how you fine.
Normally I be fresh boy.
Bitter kola. Calm down.
Stop now.
See how fully charged my neighbor battery be.
Oh.
See, Tom Tom and bitter kola. What's the name of this thing in what do they call it in Ghana? Bitter kola. Agbinu, we call it Agbinu for Igbo. I don't know what they call it. What did I get call it yesterday?
I don't
Guys, what do they call this in Twi? Let me know in the comment section. Why? I need to know the name in Twi. The cough that has refused to go. I've chewed ginger. He gave me ginger.
I was only trying to help.
He gave me ginger to chew. I ate ginger. I cried. Cough no go. So I even took cough syrup. Video. So now he has brought Tom Tom and
Bitter kola.
I need the name for Twi.
You ask your fans, probably they might know the name.
Okay, guys, what's the name in Twi? I need the name. Here now, I'm eating it with Tom Tom. Hopefully, this one will work. I don't know. He said I should eat only one, but I'm eating two.
This one is root and herbs.
Root and herbs. Which one is the root there? Now?
The white native kola.
White native kola is the herbs
and
root now, but this one is what?
It's still the same. Although this one,
this one is candy.
I know, but you add it up together.
Okay. So, do you have any remedy for cough? I beg, in case this one doesn't work, let me know.
It's gonna work.
Amen.
It's gonna work.
But I need to chew more now. It's sweet.
But according to the doctor prescription, you take
Which doctor prescribe? Which doctor prescribe?
You take one
daily
in the morning.
Okay, one.
Then if you're not able to take one in the morning, you can take one in the afternoon.
And then
when you want to sleep, you take one.
Yeah. Okay, so let me keep this. It's remaining 3. And one Tom Tom now, so I need more.
No, we'll get more Tom Tom.
So, but I can eat in the afternoon.
Let me say at 9. That will be okay.
Okay, I'll eat at 9.
Because you chewed 2 already.
Yeah, I've chewed 2.
So it's
okay,
cool.
No problem. So I'll get more Tom Tom. No, he will get me more Tom Tom that I'll use and eat the remaining. White.
I just hope that this time around it works.
It will work, but in case it doesn't work, if you have any remedy that is not bitter or pepperish, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.
You be me with this.
You can't recognize yourself.
I'm blushing.
Guys, I need wife for him. I need 5 Ghana wives, one from each different tribes, so that they can take good care of him, right? You want?
So what about you?
They know me. I'm anti-marriage. They know me. I'm anti-marriage. They know me. I cannot marry, but I can find wives, and I can teach your wives how to take care of you, but I cannot do the work. All right, guys, let me know in the comment section.
Peace.